Recently, the vending machines at Dreyfoos have been disappearing. So how do the students feel about the disappearing vending machines? ¿Dónde están las máquinas de comida?
Well, Ramón, bueno, yo no sé, pero en realidad no me importa.
Well, I mean, I'm sad because I'm always gonna be hungry now. Yeah, now I have no place to get my overly priced food.
They're gone? All of them? ¿Por qué?
Pour moi, ça m'est égal, mais les étudiants ont toujours faim et ils veulent constamment sortir pour chercher un goûter. Alors pour eux, je comprends.
But now, we have new vending machines here at Dreyfoos.
So, do you like the new vending machines?
I do. I really like them. There's a lot of cool features, and you can see the nutritional information, like snacks and bars and stuff.
We love them. We love the distinct and varied array of beverages.
I think they're pretty cool.
Look at how futuristic this vending machine is. I'm pretty sure it's going to change forms any second.
Alright everyone, this is Ryan Freeze. Be sure to try out those new vending machines. Alright, now get me out please.